Hello! In this video, I'm going to show you how to purchase a computer through the iTech computer store on iShop. To start, we need to log in to PeopleSoft through the My UTRGV portal. Then, click on the tile for iShop and it will open in a new window. Once you land on the main page, scroll down to the UTRGV Showcase Suppliers and click on the iTech computer store. The punch-out will open in a new window. If you have issues opening the punch-out, please make sure that the pop-up blocker on your browser is turned off. The iTech computer store makes it easy to purchase computers for use on campus. All the computers have been pre-approved by information technology and meet the specification requirements for performance and security. Once you open the store, you'll be directed to the in-stock section. And here, we have ready-to-go models which are available to be delivered 2 to 4 business days after the PO is created. Click on the category of your interest and select the model you would like to purchase. On the computer page, you can find more details and information about the computer. You can find specifications and information about memory, hard drive, screen size, and which ports are available. There's also a picture gallery that you can click on to browse the pictures. When you're ready, click the Add to Cart button. If you'd like to add more accessories, you can exit out of this window and go back. We will add an additional monitor to go with this portable computer. We can add it quickly from here and make sure to select an option for speakers. We're going to add speakers and click Add to Cart. So now we're ready to check out. We're going to click on Upload Cart, and this will take us back to the main window on iShop. Review the purchases you're about to make, and from here, you can proceed to checkout or assign the cart to someone in your department who can help you finish the transaction. If you don't find a model that you like on the in-stock section, there are more models available to purchase from the volume purchase program. So we can head over to that tab and we'll find more available models for purchase. You can click on the number 2 at the bottom of the page to see even more models. When you're ready to go, make sure to select the options if you want a docking station. If not, select none. And click on Add to Cart. And just as before, we're going to check out and upload the cart. From here, you can proceed to checkout or assign the cart to someone else. If the model you're looking for is not available on the iTech computer store, or if you have some special requirements for the computer you want to buy, you can go to the Custom Quotes section and request a quote. In here, there is a form that you can fill out with as much information as you have available. If you have a model in mind, you can write it down here. Also include information about processor, memory, and storage capacity if you have a preference. You can also list any accessories that you want included on the quote. There's even a section where you can specify if you'll be using the computer for a particular task, such as video editing, digital illustration, or if it's going to be connected to specialty equipment for research purposes, On the Other Notes section, you can even include links to any products that you've seen on other websites. Once you click Send, this will be sent to our Dell sales representative, who will review the specifications you included and build a quote that fits your needs. Once the quote is created, you will receive an email confirmation that the quote has been added to your iTech Computer Store profile. To access it, go again under Custom Quotes and click on My Quotes. You'll see the list of quotes in here. To purchase a computer, click on Buy and click on Upload Cart. It'll take you back to your iShop shopping cart. Review the computer that you're going to buy, and you can proceed to checkout or assign the cart to someone who can help you complete the purchase. This has been a quick tutorial on how to purchase a computer through the iTech Computer Store. If you have any questions about this video or about purchasing computers, you can head over to the Contact Us section in the iTech Computer Store, where you can find our contact information. We look forward to serving you. Thank you.